Hello, Miss Shazana, and welcome back to my other video. And this time I'll be explaining of non-verbal communication between children. See, what is the meaning of non-verbal? Okay, so the meaning of non-verbal is that you don't use speech at all. You don't use speech or patterns. It's basically based on movements, body gestures, your facial expression. That is the type of communication that requires non-verbal, means there's no words, there's no sentences or no written papers or anything about it. So here I would like to explain and demonstrate some of the examples of non-verbal communication, and I will explain to you later why is it so important. Now, as you can tell from the example just now that they present, it is all about consideration, conciseness, completeness, and clarity for them to show the way. As my sibling 1 shows the way, and then the sibling 2 nods their head. That shows gestures, hand gestures, body gestures along the way. Now, as you can tell by the example just now, you can tell that the sibling 1 has a vocal tone. The vocal tone which is yawning. So when she does the yawning, it is an indicator that she's tired, and the sibling 2 needs to signal her to go outside and have some sleep and have some rest. Back in the ancient time, caveman times, as you can see, that they also signal one another. They know how to interact. You can tell the completeness of the interaction from back then until now. So some parts of communication in the history of it hasn't changed, has not changed since back then. So it also connects to vocal tone to make one verbal communication between, like I said, the example just now, from one sibling to another. You can do this to your friends, to your colleagues, to acquaintances, or in a workspace or in a workplace. That also applies even for non-verbal communication in general. As you can see, one of the examples just now, that's what you call non-verbal communication, in a way that it shows a signal. That's what we call signaling or sign language. That's what you call a written communication, but without the voice, but it was already written to you. For example, like the girl just now was showing how to go to the bathroom. So girl 1 needs to show the way using the visual cue that he has with the written sentence to show us the bathroom. So that's why girl number 2 then finally shows, okay, so this is the bathroom. In that way, with the hand gestures, okay, and they say thank you, it goes to the bathroom and arrives at the bathroom. See, communication has also a lot of meanings. Meanings like non-verbal just now. Non-verbal consists of body, let me write it here, body language, or in this case movement. It can be either one of those, body language or body movement. It can also mean gestures. It's also the same thing as equals gestures. Now gestures, same thing. Also we have the facial expression from the previous example that we told you before. That's also facial expression. When disagreeing or agreeing to something, you can tell by the facial expression of between two friends or two siblings or any co-workers or acquaintances. More or less the same like verbal just now, but this time without words. You use your emotions from your face to express it. Facial expression. Now all this linked together, and of course you're going to get back non-verbal communication. Now why is this important, you ask? Well, from my sources that I've gathered, and I'm just going to tell it to you, that communication without words, it includes apparent behaviors and facial expressions, eyes touching, and tone of voice, as well as less obvious messages such as dress, posture, specials, and distance between two or more people. I got the sources from Nonverbal Communication, which is a website that accessed 2019. Nonverbal communication also includes this website and this link. You can go to education.gov.gy from parenting tips to their children from nonverbal communication. Now, before I conclude my video, I would like to say thanks to my family, thanks to the team behind this, thanks for the cameras. And sorry if the video is a bit choppy, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. If you haven't checked my verbal communication video, do check that out. Thank you.